Hi everybody, this is Bhupinder. Today I want to show you how to uninstall a program that's so stubborn. So I try to uninstall this program. I say yes, let's go ahead, and then I get RunDLL error. So what you have to do when you get this error, the solution is here with me. So first you press OK. This Windows uninstaller is useless. It can't find that path because that path is somehow not existing anymore somewhere there. So we need a more clever and advanced program to do that. You need to go to a site called Revo Uninstaller.com, and then you can select the free version, and then once you download it, go to the download folder and just double click on it to run it. Click yes. Okay, read it. If you're happy, accept it. Create a desktop shortcut. Okay, install, launch. Okay, so after it's launched, scroll down to the program. You can see here, I found it here. Just double click on it. It is creating a system restore point. So after it's tried, you say, it gives you this error still, but then you say okay. So it tried to uninstall and looks like there are some leftovers, so we need to scan for it. There are different option of scanning. Let's try the default one and moderate. So here you need to manually check where you think it's appropriate to delete. So it falls totally under your responsibility. So I select this thing and then I click delete. Then it says, are you sure you want to do this last time? You say yes. So after you're happy with deleting the items you deleted, then press next. So it has some leftover paths. Make sure that you're happy with the things it has found, and then once you're sure, select the ones you like to delete and then click on delete. Then you ask you whether you're sure. If you're sure, say yes. And now you can see it doesn't exist here anymore. It's been removed. And if I go here, if I go back, and then I come back and it's not there. That's how you get rid of these stubborn programs using Revo Uninstaller. I hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to share and subscribe, and if you liked it, put the thumbs up. See you next time.